Hi everybody, it is part 2 to Super Saturday. Bring your friends and family on over, including the teenagers. Since it's back to school, they're going to want to know how to make their own fashionable notebook. Here we go. With a giant size empty cereal box, lay it flat and cut it to the size that you want. In my opinion, you want to measure it the same size as a regular school notebook. The lid flaps that you cut off the box, set aside and trim because that's going to be your binder. Hot glue the binder to the edge of the cardboard. Next, you can use any fashionable Dollar Tree bag as seen here. You want to cut the sides off completely to where the whole bag will lay flat. Adjust to fit nicely on the back side of the cardboard and hot glue into place. Alright you guys, the rest is pretty much self-explanatory. Just don't forget, with a really old notebook, rip out the 3-ring binder, which is the metal hooks or whatever you want to call it, those 3 rings, because you're going to be using that to incorporate in this new notebook. You guys can literally decorate this any way that you want, and I'm going to use this folder for anything incorporated with junk journals or card making. I'm going to use this washi tape, and this, after I hot glue the 3 rings, I'm also going to incorporate the washi tape to really secure it down. With the pocket in the back of the notebook, I'm going to use this folder that I taped together, and this is just going to hold all of the handmade cards that I like to make. There you have it, everybody. Please leave me a thumbs up, subscribe, and have fun, you guys. Have a great school year. Peace out and stay positive.